So the entrance fee is $30 and it's good for 7 days. Let's stop out here. Whoa, look at that. 사람 많은 이유가 있지, 그치?
Whoa, look at that. It's like a wall.
So these rocks you see used to be a single granite. But over 85 million years, it divided into these smaller pieces and became what you see today. Pretty amazing.
It's cool.
Oh, these are really hard.
Yeah.
So even if you pass by, if you're wearing shorts, it can actually scratch you. Maybe even cut
Everywhere.
you. Can cut you. Oh, look at this.
I found
Can cut you. Be
footprints
careful.
in a rock.
Look at this cactus.
Really? That's lost
Yeah.
rocks. Oh, up no! Don't touch it.
It's like needles.
Also, if a cactus looks fluffy, do not touch it. Those are tiny needles.
Those
that
are the scariest one.
Yeah, I know. They inject into your skin. They
Yeah.
go into your
Doesn't-
bloodstream and never come out.
Doesn't come out. Yeah. There are a lot of purple flowers here.
I think I bought the baby Joshua
So
tree.
cute. Hmm?
The baby Joshua tree.
Where?
Right here.
Is it the baby Joshua tree?
Yeah.
Maybe.
It
Possible.
is. It's a baby. Do you see the sign that says restoration in progress? They're planting new ones. Look, that's another one.
Yeah, that's baby Joshua tree.
And that's a
So-
baby Joshua tree.
Yeah, so cute. This one's kind of cute.
Pineapples.
And this small Joshua tree will become big like that,
Shiny rock.
even bigger. You know what this feels like? It feels like we're walking around in a weird world. Not Earth, right?
Pokemon. It's like Mars, but like humanized.
Yeah, Mars with oxygen and Joshua trees. Oh, this is like a teenager Joshua tree. Pretty amazing.
나무로 변하지? 이런 게
Very oh, careful! This is very sharp.
예.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, it's like a mini spears. Oh my gosh, there's a few, I don't know if you can see, but there are two people rock climbing.
저 떨어지면 바로 죽는 거다.
Whoa,
어떡하냐
Hey, look, it's a
be careful.
kid. A kid
Yeah,
Joshua
this is like
tree.
like elementary school Joshua tree.
5 years old.
Yeah, this is the Appa Joshua tree. This is a daddy Joshua tree. A flower? No way.
Oh, right.
Whoa, this is a
Flowers that grow
flower.
fruit.
Joshua tree flower. Wow.
White and beautiful.
Man, it's so easy to get lost here. Because all the cactus tree, the Joshua tree, they're kind of covering the trail. But we can see the cars right there. Excuse us.
Oh, snow.
It's windy. Oh, look at this. We're so high up. Wow. Chet, here. I think this where we went with the tram, right? That mountain with the snow.
Look at the whole city.
저걸 보면서 얘는
Downtown?
당신이 말하면 마블링밖에 생각이 안 나.
Look at all these valleys. We're on top of the mountains here. Oh, here's Small Rock. A lot of people here today. Oh, okay. I see the skull now. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's like a skull. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can if I can fit through here. Oh, okay. Oh, we're surrounded by all these big rocks. It's different from the other side, right? Yeah, a lot more rocks here for sure. Good thing about these rocks are it has a good grip. It's like little pebbles. You doing okay, Jed? Yeah?
I'm trying to climb like everywhere.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, little bit chilly.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
kinda
the wind is kind of chilly. Being chilling. Jed, be careful. Anything up there? Is it a good view up there? You got it. Good job. Oh. Climb this rock.
What?
Climb this rock. It's
Yeah.
Pac-Man rock. Whoa. Oh, look at that rock over there. It's about to fall off.
Ooh, you can squeeze through here.
Can we squeeze through? Let's see. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can squeeze through this.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Go back.
No. Once you pass through that, it's okay.
No, get back.
If I can squeeze through, you can squeeze through it. Come.
No, get back.
No, it's okay. 일로 와. Yeah, you can do it. It's okay.
Oh, I don't
Is-
even have to suck my belly in.
Yeah, I had to suck my belly in really,
네,
really hard, but I was able to go through it.
Oh, there's rocks here, so that's fine.
Ooh, you know, I think this is like a secret path. Nobody was coming out from here. Follow me. Oh, look at this cute cactus right here.
Ooh, cactus.
And plants.
so beautiful.
Hey, this looks like a face too.
Hello there.
That's a nose, eye, chin.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of. Okay, let's keep going. I think there's a cliff.
It looks like beautiful.
Watch out.
What is that?
It's like cold, but it has so much light.
Oh, that's a new plant. Whoa. It's a yellow tip and like a brown reddish body. Wow.
Oh, someone stacked rocks.
Huh? Hey, let's go check it out.
와, 여기 또 멋있는데? 비 냄새.
Yeah.
비 냄새가.
Yeah, once in a while. Yeah, once in a while you hear, once in a while you smell this fragrance, like just nature's fragrance. I think it's coming out from one of these plants. When the wind blows, sometimes you smell that good smell. I wonder which plant it is. Or is it a mixture of different plants? Oh, cool, Jed.
I'm just helping stack this.
Okay.
Someone already stacked.
Oh, look at this rock. It got chopped in half. Oh, it's totally different color inside.
Yeah.
Did you see the pen?
Oh, oh my gosh.
Between the rocks, they
This is pretty high.
saw the pen.
Oh,
A lot of pens are there.
Echo. No echoes. Oh. What is that?
oh my gosh. Oh, look how high we are. Oh, it doesn't fall down. Okay, we're here at the Indian Cove Trail. Man, that view. That's amazing. We're kind of at those rock mountains, between those rock mountains and that big valley down there. It's pretty cool. Yeah. You can see all kinds of desert plants again, of course. We're still at the desert.
있어가지고 점점 막
어.
들어가더래. 되게 위험하더라고. 애들이 너무 빨라. 애들도 같이 찍어야 돼. 있어? 어머머머머머.
오랜만에 보는 엔트요.
네, 집사님 찍지 마. 집사님 비싸셔.
네. This can do a 4K, 60 frames per second. Yeah.
It looks like an electric toothbrush.
Yeah. This one guy thought. Are you
it has a mic.
microphone? Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's why. Okay.
Yeah. One person said, "Is that a personal fan?" Guess the town down there. 조심하세요. 조심하세요.
Where's our daughter?
Oh my gosh. One of my friends almost died. You gotta be careful when you climb and have the right shoes so you don't slip. I hope I don't slip. Oh my gosh. 오. 일로 와. 거기 돌.
원래 이런데 선인장이 끼는 게 좀 이쁜 거야. 이뻐.
Let me take a picture.
쟤.
Okay. 오, 되게 멋있다. 1, 2, 3. Get a little closer. Get a little closer. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 이거로 한번. 1, 2, 3. 오, 좋았어.
소리 질러보고.
Korean Tarzan.
예술이야.
이쪽으로 이렇게.
내가 찍었는데 너무 예뻐. 3, 2, 1.
세워서 한번.
이거 콘테스트 보내야 돼.
오, 자.
하나, 둘.
잘 났다. 오.
아니 그냥 그림.
Okay, very good. Yeah. 잘 보이네.
전체가 보여.
Hey, blue. Burn it.